Okay, so check this out. I used to think that building dashboards meant knowing how to code. So I spent years learning JavaScript, Python, maybe even SQL. But guess what? Building dashboards doesn't have to be this way. You don't need to be a coding expert to create awesome dashboards. You just need to know a few tricks and have the right mindset. So let me tell you a story. Back in the day, I was working with a company and we had this problem. We wanted to track our marketing campaign performance, but we didn't have a developer to build us a fancy dashboard. So I took matters into my own hands and built a dashboard using Excel and Power BI. And guess what? It was a game changer. I could see our sales numbers, conversion rates, and campaign performance all in one place. And the best part, I didn't write a single line of code. All I did was use the drag and drop visuals, slicers, and a little formula magic. It was like a superpower. Now you might be thinking, great story, but how can I apply this to my work? Well, let me show you how. Let's say you want to build a simple dashboard to track your social media performance. You can do it with code, but why would you? When you can achieve the same result with a few simple steps, right? First, grab your favorite tool. It could be Excel, Google Sheets, or any other app that lets you visualize data. Then start with a blank sheet. Don't worry about formatting or colors yet. Next, input your data. Let's say you have data for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now comes the fun part. Visualize your data. Create charts and graphs that show your key metrics. For example, you could have a line chart showing your follower growth over time. Then use filters to let your audience drill down into the data. For example, you could filter the chart by month or platform. Finally, add some color and formatting to make your dashboard visually appealing, and voila! You've built a professional-looking dashboard without writing a single line of code. Now here's the amazing thing. You can replicate this process to build different types of dashboards, sales reports, client dashboards, you name it. And guess what? You'll be faster than ever because you're not wasting time on coding. You're spending time on what really matters, understanding your data and creating insights. This approach has been a game changer for me. My team used to spend hours manually pulling together data and reports, but now with these tools and techniques, we can generate insights in real time. No wonder my boss gave me this awesome feedback. Your ability to quickly analyze and visualize data has been invaluable to our team. You're able to turn raw data into actionable insights in no time. That's the power of no-code dashboards. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this dashboard from scratch. So if you want to learn more, keep watching.